Hi you guys, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you guys a beautiful blush pink, mauve pink, and neutral tone wedding accented with creams, golds, and whites. The most important aspect that I want you to take away from today's video is how we transform the wedding ceremony area for the reception, because both the wedding and the reception was in the exact same room. And many times when you do a room flip, they can be time consuming, they can be extremely expensive, and you can lose your guests in the flip. And so for this particular wedding, I decided to do it a little bit differently, and I want to share that with you guys. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Without any further delay, let's hop into today's video. So for the ceremony area, I decided to use these asymmetrical horn-shaped arches. I actually got these in all white from Rose Morning. I'll be sure to leave the link and discount code down below. But I loved it in all white because you could go back and add in the pink flowers or whatever color flowers you have that will match your theme or decor for the wedding or event. And then for the ceremony, we just pushed those back and then added a glass mirror table in front of it, and we put the same votive candles that you saw during the wedding ceremony in front of that same table for the reception. It made the transforming that area super simple. We did not lose the crowd in the flip. They were able to take photos and, kind of mix and mingle while we were flipping the space, and it worked very, very well. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. It's really spacious, and it was really important for my bride to have room for the dance floor because she wanted her reception to be a party. And so I left a lot of room open for them to be able to dance and to enjoy themselves. And I just love how the floating candles accented just the simpleness of the arch, and they got married around sunset. So all that beautiful window area and backdrop that you see there, it just was perfect for the wedding. Now, in terms of the reception, when we got ready for the reception, most of the centerpieces were really tall. I wanted it to be really tall because the windows were so grandiose. And so I used these 10-arm candelabras. I got these also from eFavorMart. I will leave the link. I will link it in this video. But I love those. The floral swags, I absolutely love those. And if you're in Lux Academy, you know exactly where I got them from and how to create them. And if you aren't and you would like to know, I will leave the link to Lux Academy there as well so that you can check it out. Now, here are all the candles all lit up. I decided to swag both sides of this table or flank both sides of the table because it really, kind of blended well with the arches that were previously there for the ceremony. And it just made for a really beautiful space. I didn't want to do too much because I wanted the large statement pieces to kind of speak for themselves. The chairs were a great option to the throne chairs because this and groom were more modern and they weren't into, the throne chair look. And so I wanted to give them something that was still different from their wedding party and from their wedding guests, but something that was still very modern. And I just love the way that this all turned out. It was just so beautiful, and it meshed with her bridal party dresses and her color swatches so well. It was just picturesque, and the photos turned out so stunning with the bride and the groom in this area. Now, we also took those flanked floral runners, and we did that on either side of the bridal party tables as well, along with the candelabras. It made such a huge statement, and I love the way that they turned out. I actually found some acrylic candelabras very similar to those on Amazon. I think I paid $199 for the ones in this video because they are glass and mirror. But I did find some on Amazon as well. So I will try to find those and link them for you. And the dance floor kind of pulled it all together. Now let's look at the bride's reaction. Okay? We're going to the, yeah, just trust me. I promise you, I won't drop you.
Excuse me, trying to get out of your way.
Okay, come to this way.
Okay.
So she can see. All right. And straight. 1, 2, and open your eyes.
I love it. It is good. Oh, this is so beautiful. Don't make me nervous when I It's beautiful. I like it.
Don't hold your eyes. Don't, come on, let's go. Oh, let me show you. You didn't, I told y'all.
You see it? I love it. No, this is beautiful.
Okay. Don't cry. Do not cry. Do not cry. Do not cry. Okay.
Okay. Excuse me.
Oh, that's good. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I just try to stop it right here, right?
Huh?
I just stop it right here.
Mm-hmm. No, let's get her.
It's on video, so there's so many shadows.
I'm gonna keep it really good.
Yep, just move.
So the bride went to go change into her wedding dress, and I will leave that reveal for her because she's also a content creator, but I wanted to show you her beautiful bridal party. They were so excited. The energy was on, and the photos just turned out absolutely stunning.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now. Give me your love and tell me your secrets. 'Cause we're in this together now. Yeah, we're in this together now. I'll keep you safe, I'll give you my everything. Even if we're falling down, even if we're falling down, all of me is yours, every part of me. 'Cause we're in this together now. You and me together now. What's the point of living if we're scared to lose each other?
Thank you all so much for watching, and please be sure to let me know down in the comments what was your favorite aspect of today's design. Also, I would like to invite you to the Holiday Summit, where I am teaming up with At Home with Nikki and 20 other amazing speakers to help you prep your home and your life for the holiday season. Right now, it is absolutely free. I'm going to leave the link down below so that you can go ahead and grab your seat. I'm going to be teaching a segment on how to decorate the perfect Christmas tree. If you are looking to get into the Christmas decorating business, or you just want to give your tree at home a more polished look, you don't want to miss out on this. Thank you all so much again for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!